Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing well and thank you so much for your love and support so far. Today we are gonna make a very special thing. Today we are gonna make these. These are actually coconut or Nariyal Ke Laddus. It is a sweet dish from northeast part of the India. It is actually prepared during Bihu festival. It's very easy to prepare and it doesn't take that much time. So let's begin. To make coconut laddus, we need just two ingredients, that is coconut and sugar. Today I have taken one fresh coconut, finely grated. You can see the consistency here. If you do not have a fresh coconut, you can also use the grated coconut powder which is available in the market. And sugar, here I have taken about 1.5 cup of sugar. First, we will mix the coconut and the sugar. For that, add the grated coconut and the sugar into a mixer bowl and mix it well. Now heat up a pan and add the coconut and the sugar mixture and fry it. Try to keep the flame or the temperature low, otherwise it may burn your coconut. Fry until the coconut starts releasing oil. This will take about 15 to 20 minutes. As you can see, mine already started to release oil. I will fry it for like another 1 to 2 minutes and then it will be done. Now transfer it into a plate or a bowl and let it cool for like 1 to 2 minutes. Now we will make the laddus. For that, take about 1 tablespoon of the mixture. Then press it with your fingers and try to stick everything together. If it's too hot, you just dip your fingers into the cold water. Now try to give it a round shape by rolling between your palms as I am doing. At starting, it can be a bit difficult, but you will get it eventually. Once you are expert, you can just make it round by pressing with your fingers like this. And that's it. Here is your tasty, yummy coconut laddus. If you like the recipe, please subscribe to my channel, and if you want me to prepare some specific recipe, please comment below, and do not forget to click on the bell icon to get notification about my upcoming videos. Thank you. Bye bye.